Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet social media channels. Today we're going to be talking about the 2027 Bolt EV. This one specifically is an RS, and your charging options. This is the first model with Chevrolet that has the Tesla charging capability without having to get the adapter. As you can see, this looks a little bit different than what you have with the previous Chevrolet EVs. Your charging cord for at home is going to match up to that. It's a Tesla charging cord. You'll be able to plug it into your house. And now we're going to talk about the health of the battery. The recommendation is that you charge up to 100 or up to 80% when you go to charge. So first things first, looking at the map, where is our closest Tesla station? Our closest operable Teslas or charging stations. It's going to tell me Westchester, Loveland. Loveland happens to be the Meijer that I go to. You work your way down, you're going to find non-Teslas like ChargePoint here in Hamilton, Ohio. More charge points. Teslas, Iona charging station in Springfield. Not all charging stations are going to be on this list. I highly recommend looking up. Chevrolet has an app and seeing what other charging stations are available. We're also going to talk about charging health. So let's get back in here. Go into categories, charging stations, set up that we're going there. Now, it may have already done this because it's my second take on this video. There we go. Preparing battery for fast charge. This is going to save you a little bit of time when you get there. Especially on the colder days, it takes a little bit of time. The battery has to warm up a little bit before it's going to start accepting charges. May lead to a little bit more time outside than you really want on a cold day, with waiting for it to be ready as you're trying to get it to start charging. If you have any questions about the 2027 Chevrolet Bolt Tesla charging, even if you have a older Chevrolet EV and the adapters for the Tesla charging stations, if you want to broaden the places that you can go to charge, Buc-ee's also happens to have them. Not the adapters, the charging stations where you'll need the adapter. Please feel free to give us a call at 513-932-0303. My name is Michael Smith. I'm the Internet Director here at Bob Pulte Chevrolet. Or you can talk to any one of my salespeople or leave a question in the comments section. Thank you very much. I hope you guys have a great day.